Here at Midland Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Center, we treat using a variety of methods. We have our hands-on manual therapy. We also use massage therapy, electrotherapy, specific exercise programs, and acupuncture as indicated for the conditions that we treat. What they can expect to get is some hands-on manual therapy, some one-on-one time with the therapist. They can also expect to receive some additional modalities, whether they be heat, ice, electrotherapy of some sort. They'll get a specific exercise program that they can follow through with at the clinic, and also some home exercises so that they can progress to eventually being able to self-manage their condition. I mean, you can see that we have our bikes, our treadmill. We also have a variety of weights, exercise balls, stairs, balance equipment, anything that we need in order to fully rehabilitate our patients.
2 mornings a week, and I have heat and therapy, exercise therapy, and then finally about 10 to 15 minutes on the bike. I feel really positive now